Now the trains are responsible on the outside road, looking right.
20 minutes. At least I'm not.
We also ask consideration of those around you in keeping our trains clean. There is no eating, no drinking, and no smoking aboard this train at any time.
Here to watch. Sure.
We need to go somewhere about her finger, don't we, Ashley?
Make sure she's completely up on your lap. She can't stand.
Oh.
Those two whistles from our engineers have cleared us from forward motion, so sit back, relax. Again, guys, there is no eating nor drinking at any time on the train because we are all aboard.
Sit down.
Sit down, you're not allowed to stand up, girls.
It looks like we're ready to embark on the next leg of our journey. Our destination is Main Street, USA. Now, everyone stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs inside the train at all
No,
times.
we should just go around the park.
And please keep an eye on your children.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
There are some who say that this steam train is a little old-fashioned, but for me, it's the only way to travel. Of course, there are those who prefer to hit the highway, and on the right, you just might spot some pint-sized drivers taking their first spin behind the wheel of a car. Getting from place to place is a big deal in Tomorrowland, where you might board a people mover, zip around on the Astro Orbiter, or book a flight across the galaxy at our busy starport in Space Mountain. Tomorrowland is truly a world on the move. Speaking of moving, it seems like a whole lot of new neighbors have been migrating in from all the corners of the Milky Way. There's that rascally Experiment 626, better known as Stitch, always up to his usual antics. Buzz Lightyear is scouting for a few good space rangers. Even the monsters of Monstropolis have taken a shine to Tomorrowland. I hear those monsters are pretty funny. They're sure funny looking. Yep, the future is here today at the Magic Kingdom. And the future looks like a lot of fun. But after working on the railroad all the livelong day, it's nice to come home to good old Main Street, USA. Inspired by the small-town dreams of a young Walt Disney, a walk down Main Street is like stepping back into the early years of the 20th century. Of course, ours is a Main Street of the imagination, and we've got our own hometown hero, Mickey Mouse. Mickey and his friends have gathered at the Town Square Theater, and they're always happy to meet their fans. We've made a complete trip around the Magic Kingdom. For those of you who've been on board for the whole journey, thanks for putting up with me these past few days. If you're staying with us, we'll be headed for Frontierland next. Right now, please stay seated until our train comes to a complete stop. Then pick up your belongings and carefully step off the train. If you have strollers to unfold, please take them all the way beyond the platform so we can safely board passengers for the next leg of our journey. This is Main Street Station, Main Street, USA.
Hi folks, welcome to Main Street Station, your gateway to all of the Magic Kingdom and of course the rest of the park. We do ask that you please remain seated until this train comes to a full and complete stop. The engineers up front give that one single whistle and yours truly back gives two magical words of all clear. Letting you know it's safe to disembark this train. But until then friends, please remain seated, making sure your whole party is staying seated because we are still moving. Stay seated guys, a little longer, hold on. Hold on. Stay seated just a little bit longer, hold on. Okay, all clear. Please put your hands up as you disembark. Take small children by the hand and upward shoulders after you leave the platform.